Really, really important. Electronic work instructions for the shop floor. So here you're seeing a process that somebody can actually see a visual work instruction to be able to have full traceability and control over your manufacturing process. What's really cool here too is you can embed training docs, training videos, models, anything 3D comes with Teamcenter Manufacturing. So very, very powerful for the shop floor. The next step then, so here is launching EWI, can be web-based, but here's what's really neat is the next step for a lot of manufacturers is an MES system. So with electronic work instructions and Teamcenter Manufacturing, you can view those work instructions. That plugin of that 3D viewer belongs or can be viewed within our MES system Opcenter as a plugin. Therefore, now you start to record what actually happened on the shop floor. All of that execution feedback, quality assurance, quality control feedback to the shop floor. And that's the power of an integrated, our ecosystem accelerator tying into our Teamcenter suite with our manufacturing execution system. So taking those 3D viewer work instructions and being able to now give feedback to the engineering department and the ERP system and say, you know what, there was 36 bolts that were needed. We snapped off to 40 were consumed. So when 40 are consumed, the reconciliation goes to the ERP and says, well, we actually consumed 40. Therefore, the threshold of our inventory is down. To be able to schedule more jobs, we need to order immediately.